Hi, I'm Mark. I'm the guy that built all this. You'll hear me in the help videos as I try to demonstrate to you how to use all the tools in this website management system. Please understand, it's taken over a decade to build all the tools here. So as much as I want to tell you you can learn it all in 15 minutes, it's not going to be true. Now to help you, I've created help videos for each program. Just look for the video icons near any of the program links or at the top of the actual program pages. Clicking on it will open the help video, and I'll guide you through the process of using that particular program. Now, I'm not a paid actor, don't have any training, and have never been on a reality TV show. So bear with me as I try to educate you on how to build and manage your own website. The first thing I want to do is show you a quick overview of the system and some basic information you will need to get started.
Once you've logged into your website, you'll notice a toolbar at the very top of the page. And that toolbar is going to take you through all the different sections of the management console. The first section is the home page, and this shows you what your website is. It shows the getting started video that you're watching right now, some administrative functions, some search engine tools, and then the next thing is manage photos. The manage photos page will take you in where you can add photos to the gallery, you can upload multimedia files, video, create slideshows, banners, and even print your own business cards. The manage programs page will help you manage programs such as the guest book, the discussion forum. You can add calendars to your website or access specialty programs like the car dealer management system or the real estate management. The edit pages will take you over to the list of pages on your website, and the pages that are available for editing will be highlighted in green, and you can use the editors to edit those pages. The page properties page will give you all the functions of the design of the website. You can choose a layout, a template, create a title space, you can create a menu with menu builders, menu buttons, or even go into the advanced tools where you can modify the HTML of the website template. The e-commerce icon will take you to the shopping cart page. The shopping cart management page will be everything that you're going to do with e-commerce. If you're selling products, shopping cart management page is where you want to be. You'll upload your pictures, you'll manage your shipping options. Everything about the shopping cart is done from the shopping cart management page. There's also a secure server icon, which will take you over the secure server. If you are processing credit cards or getting sales, they'll be stored in the secure server. There's a section for website stats and to view your website. To view the website, when you click on View Website, it'll bring up a second window with your main website. And you'll want to toggle back and forth between the main website and the management section so you can see what you're doing as you're doing it. There's a help section and a make payment section and a log out, and if you get done with building your website, you want to click on log out so no one else can log into your website from your computer. This getting started video is only going to give you a basic understanding of how to navigate the website management console. If you need more help on a particular program, look for the TV icons next to the programs and click on those. That'll bring up a help video which will start playing, and it will explain how to use that program in more detail. There are also question marks. When you put your mouse over the question mark, you'll see a tip. It'll explain what the program is, and if you click on it and there's a help page available, it'll take you to the help page in the help section for that program. Now I'll discuss in more detail some of the more specific functions of building a website. First thing I want to talk about is the manage photos. We go to manage photos and we can upload photos that can be put on the pages. Here it says upload images to page gallery. Click on that and it comes up with some browse buttons where you can upload photos. So you find the photo on your computer, click on it, and it'll fill in the information on the website. Once you get the pictures that you want to upload, go ahead to the bottom, click on upload files, and that'll upload those images into the website. If we go back to the Manage Photos page and we click on Manage Current Page Gallery Images, we'll see the 2 photos that we just uploaded, and now they're ready to be used on Pages. So if we go over to our Edit Pages page and we select one of the pages, for example, About Us, you want to use the link that's highlighted in green. That's the editor that was the last used, and you prefer to use the drag and drop editor because that's going to be the easiest to use if you don't know what you're doing. Click on the D&D link and that will bring up the editor for us to work in. Right now there's a picture here for a sample. You can right click on the image to delete it, and we want to bring in one of the pictures that we used that we just uploaded. Click on Add Pics, click on the picture, comes in the page, we can move it around, we can resize that picture, we'll bring it down to this size, put it in here, and then simply click on Save Page, and that's going to save the page to our website. Close the editor out and bring that other window up with our main website, view the About Us page, and you'll see the picture we just put in there. So it's that easy to upload pictures and edit your pages. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, hey, I've been listening to this guy for 5 minutes and I'm still staring at a pretty ugly website. So how do I change the design? Alright, back in the management section, we go to Page Properties. Again, this is going to be all the design of the website. You'll see that we've highlighted here in green the Deluxe Layout Builder, which is what was used last to set up this website. If you scroll down, you'll also see the menu was built with the CSS Menu Builder. So use the links that are highlighted and you'll be able to continue on with the design that's already on the website. When you click on the Deluxe Layout Builder, it'll let you change the size. We're going to make it a little bit wider, and then you can change the colors of the sections. You can change the position of the menu, change the position of the menu over to this side. If you want to include a section on the bottom with a copyright, you can do that. Change the background colors. So what we want to do is change the menu over here to maybe black. So that's section number 2. We go over to number 2, bring up the color tool, change it to black. We'll save it. And then we go out to our website, hit our refresh or reload button, or we'll just click on the home link, and you'll see that we've made it a little bit wider so it fits on the screen, and we have a black section down here. Well, let's change the menu a little bit. Back in the management section on the Page Properties page, we'll go down to the menu buttons and links. And in here we'll see one of the links highlighted in red. Click on that link and it brings up our menu builder. Now you'll see a sample of the menu over here. We can change the colors of the buttons, the width of the buttons, and as we move the sliders and we change the colors, we can change things to whatever we want. So if you want to change these buttons to red, and then we can change the font color, text color to white. Can go down and change the border color and the border size and the border style, change the font size, so if you want to make it bigger or smaller, make it whatever you're comfortable with. Once you have that, you save the menu. Again, we'll go out to the main website and we'll just click on home again to refresh, and you'll see the new menu. So you can change any of the colors of the website, any of the styles of the website. We have this picture here for the shopping website, and I'd like to change that. Now you can upload your own picture, or you can use something from one of our galleries. We have a new image gallery which allows for different sizes. If you're a car dealer, for example, you might go to the automotive section and then choose one of the images here. We'll go ahead and use one that's 1,000 pixels, which is what we set our website size. We'll change that title space. It asks us if we want to replace it. We do. Go out to the website, click on home again to refresh it. Now you see the website with the new title space, the new menu, and some different colors. Piece by piece, as you start building and putting it together, it'll start molding into the website that you're looking for. Now we go back to the Page Properties page, and I'm going to show you how to add some text to that title. Scroll down to the title space / company logo section and look for the link to customize your template. That'll bring up the image editor where you can add text and art to your existing images. If you want to add text, click on Add Text. Type in something like my sample business, and then we'll choose a font. We'll submit that, and it'll create a layer that we can drag around, resize, and fit in the page. So we'll go ahead and add this right to the top of the banner, and by clicking Save, that will save it to the website. And if we go out to the website and hit our refresh button, you'll see now that it has my sample business added to the title space. The last thing I want to go over is the shopping cart. When you click on the e-commerce or the shopping cart, it brings you to the shopping cart management page. Here's where you can add categories, you can add new categories to the cart, you can add items to the cart, or you can manage existing items. For the demonstration, we're just going to click on an existing item. We have a broken VCR in here. It's not a mistake. It goes on every website, and it's to give you an idea of how the shopping cart works with a real item in there. You can click on Modify Text and modify the information, modify the options. You can change the photo, remove the item. You can do an HTML edit. And you can even use that composite builder that we showed you before to change the image, add text to it, or add other images on top of it. So it's very extensive what you can do. You go back to the shopping cart management page, there's shipping options, payment options, there's add-ons, cross-selling, discount groups, on and on. Each one of the programs has its own page. For example, the car dealer system, the real estate system, all have their own system, and you would go through the programs on that page to manage that page. If you try to edit the page under Edit Pages, we've got some of these pages locked. Browse page, editing locked. And that's so that you won't go in there and think that you're supposed to edit that page on your website. When you go out to your website and you click on Browse, you'll see the VCR in here, but you can't edit the page. You actually use the shopping cart program to fix that page, to add items to the page, and manage the content on that page. That's about all I can really cover in a short getting started video. Hopefully I gave you enough information to understand how to navigate through the management section. For more information on each program, watch the help video for that program, and it'll give you a lot of detail about using that program. If you need more help, there's also the help pages, and if that's not enough, there's support 7 days a week.
If you're confused or need help, we have our support number all over this website, in the help section, on the main website, and even in emails we send out. Now, I can't dial the phone for you, but we will help you if you call us. If you are calling about a specific program, I'm going to ask you to watch the help video before calling. That way, when we do start talking about it, you'll have some idea how the program works. That will make it much easier to understand as we try to explain it over the phone. Of course, you might not even know what tool or page you're looking for, or even what to do or where to begin. And in that case, for sure, give us a call, and let's get you pointed in the right direction before you waste too much time. You'll end up pulling your hair out, or get so mad that you throw your tablet out the window. We know this is hard to understand, and we're prepared to help you with it. So give us a call if you need help.